Hey guys, welcome to Creative Corner by Varsha. Today is day 4 of Calligraphy series 2021 and today I will use this Camlin brush pen and Canson watercolor paper. I will also use a round brush like this for blending and we will need a transparent polythene like this. So let's start. Today's quote is busy collecting memories. So first I'm writing with pencil. Here we will write collecting and memories. So I will use purple and pink shade. So for the technique that we are going to use today, we will require this polythene. First I am using the pink color as my base shade. So I'm writing with pink color first. Now I will swatch my purple color on polythene like this. We'll take our round brush, we will dip it in water and we'll make it fine like this. Take some purple color and just add it at the top of your letter. If you want, you can mix some water. Now blend it properly. If you want, you can add more water. We'll blend the thin stroke, then we'll move to the thick stroke. Add some water again. And now I want to add a little bit of pink. So I'm again writing with pink. And it's done. Now moving to letter U. For letter U also we will do the same procedure. We will take some purple color and we'll add at the top of the letter. And we can add some water to blend it. Now let's add some purple at the top of S and Y. For our second word, I will add the purple shade at the bottom part. And you have to add the shade at both thick and thin strokes. Add some water and color and just blend it till the time you think that it's perfect. I have speed up this video to save some time. Just do it slowly and try to get the perfect blend. When we blend Camlin brush pen, ink spreads like this. So you can do one thing. Just outline your word like this with a fine liner. And your problem is solved. So guys, we are done with today's piece and today we have used Camlin. So you can see that we can easily blend Camlin brush pen and I have chosen this method. There are various other methods you can use to blend Camlin brush pen. If you want me to do a series of Camlin blending, please let me know in the below comment section. Also let me know if you like this piece. You can share your work with me on Instagram. You can also follow me there. My ID is Creative Corner by Varsha. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Happy creating. Bye bye.